Welcome everyone. Today let's study the nth derivative of an important function. What is that? X minus 1 upon e to the power x. If you are asked to find out the 19th derivative of this function or 20th derivative or 100th derivative and so on. How to do that? Let's study today. We can write x minus 1 upon e to the power x as e to the power minus x multiplied by x minus 1. Let's find out the first derivative. Using chain rule, we can find out e to the power minus x Now the first derivative becomes e to the power minus x minus of x minus 1 multiplied by e to the power minus x. The second term, this one, is nothing but equal to y. So we can write e to the power minus x minus y. Now let's find the second derivative of the given function. The second term is nothing but y dash, and the first term becomes okay. Now if we will impute the value of first derivative, that is e to the power minus x minus y, then the second derivative will become minus e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x plus y. So the final answer for the second derivative of the given function becomes minus 2 e to the power minus x plus y. Now let's find out the third derivative. So we can write minus 2 e to the power minus x multiplied by minus 1 plus dy upon dx. This is equal to y dash. Now putting the value of y dash in this equation, we will find so the final equation becomes f triple dash x is equal to 3 e to the power minus x minus y. We can write the first derivative as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into 1 multiplied by e to the power minus x minus 1 to the power 1 into y. For the second case, that is second derivative, we can write minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 into e to the power minus x plus minus 1 raised to the power 2 multiplied by y. For the third case, we can write minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 1 into 3 into e to the power minus x plus minus 1 raised to the power 3 multiplied by y. So if we go on, we will find for f and x the final value will be minus 1 raised to the power n plus 1 multiplied by n again multiplied by e to the power minus x plus minus 1 raised to the power n multiplied by y. So 19th derivative of the given function becomes minus 1 raised to the power 19 plus 1 into 19 into e to the power minus x plus minus 1 raised to the power 19 into y, that is x minus 1 multiplied by e to the power minus x. So minus 1 raised to the power 20 is plus 1 into 19 into e to the power minus x. This term is minus 1. If we'll take common e to the power minus x out of the both the terms, it will become 19 minus x plus 1, that is e to the power minus x 20 minus x. So we may write f of 19x is equal to 20 minus x multiplied by e to the power minus x. Similarly, we can find f of 100x, that is 100 derivative of the given function. Minus 1 raised to the power 100 plus 1 into 100 into e to the power minus x plus minus 1 raised to the power 100 into y. So minus 100 e to the power minus x plus 1 into x minus 1 e to the power minus x. If we will take e to the power minus x common, then it becomes minus 100 plus x minus 1, that is e to the power minus x minus 101. So f of 100x is equal to e to the power minus x multiplied by x minus 101. So now the most important part and the trick of this formula comes on your screen. For n is equal to even, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, the fn derivative will equal to e to the power minus x multiplied by x minus n plus 1. For n is equal to odd, that is 1, 3, 5, the nth derivative will become e to the power minus x n plus 1 minus x. When you are asked to do the even number of derivative, then x will come first, and for odd number of derivative, x will become the second term, and the power of x is equal to 1, but the sign before x is equal to minus 1. Hope you understood. Thank you all for your kind attention. If you have any question, just comment below.